So next thing I wanted to try was this ball bore, but it's in sections. We've got 5 sections, 2 centerpieces that they hopefully just push gently into. We're going to find out. So once again I've used the blue tape just to minimise any burning. A little bit of a bow on this board, but in this case I just focused on the top and it's just dropped through, and as you can see hopefully all of the bits are loose. I assume you hang it by putting a little string through the hole in one of the 2 centerpieces. Also we've got an awful lot of little star shapes that are going to be spare after doing this. So again we've gone for the speed 18 and power 35. Probably can lower the power fraction, but I just didn't want to have any dodgy edges. So yeah, it appears to have come out okay. Still got a bit of board left. Could do probably another 2 possibly if we split them down into one new one here and a couple of ones down the side possibly. But yeah, looks good. Just going to lift that out and see whether they slot together nicely. That could go out flat packed. Again, could be painted by us or the customer. We could spray it. Not really sure how to offer that, but we need to get a few things listed on the various websites. So that one hopefully is done. We'll show the results in a minute. Okay, so moving on, I thought we would do one of these Christmas baubles. Basically you've got 2 of these, and I have to put the camera down I think to show this, but obviously you slot everything together and you go round and you end up with a nice Christmas shape. But of course the newbie error here was I didn't even cross my mind about what thickness of material I was using, so I've gone ahead and masked these up, cut 2 sets out, and of course only later realised that the slots are for 4mm ply, and I was using 3mm, so completely useless. However, we have got an awful lot of stars that we can use for other projects possibly, so I'm going to redo that in the right thickness material at some point, but you know, cut out very nicely again, masked up to protect it on that side, and yeah, no signs of any burning or anything the other side. A shame, could have had 2 of those done, ready to go on the website. And as I said, the other thing we wanted to do was we've got a template for Christmas or gift tag designs. So first attempt was there, speed was too high here, it didn't cut out. It cut the slow a bit as you'd expect, but the speed was too high, so as it increased and got to its maximum speed along the edge there, it didn't quite cut through. So then we just ungrouped everything and just went to the sides and just did 2 test ones, and as you can see there, actually it won't focus on this, will it? Yes it will. Cut a tiny one out perfectly. Quite amazing that it doesn't even burn the cardboard. I did another one with the tiniest little snowflakes on it, and then just increased the size to this size. Again, perfectly cut out. Just lowered the speed down, and yeah. Look at the detail on those, how small they are. Yeah, absolutely delighted with that, and yeah, I mean they're absolutely tiny on there. I think 0.1 of a millimetre is the laser beam width. So yeah, we can now do all sorts, because you can personalise them. You could cut out happy Christmas, happy birthday, multiple colours, thicknesses of card. So yeah, that works very nicely. And of course you always end up with little cut out things that you might be able to use in other projects. So what did I do earlier? It's inside, but I used these snowflakes. I actually added on to a bone that I'd forgotten to cut the snowflake out, so I've just super glued it, on the top, give it a sort of 3D effect. So all these things hopefully will come in useful in the future. So yeah, anyway, that's another couple of ideas that we'll be listing. There's about 20 different designs of gift tags on the template I have, and all can be personalised. Maybe we'll do packs of varying sizes, birthday, Christmas, whatever. So yeah, getting there.